Hello viewers, in this RxJs filtering operators series, we are going to cover all filtering operators. Uh, in this video, we are going to cover these take operators. I hope you know all about RxJs operators. These RxJs operators mostly used to handle the observables. For more explanation, you can refer this document. Let's take this example to understand about take operators. Here I am using of observable and I am subscribing it. Before subscribe it, I am using this take operator. What's the purpose of this take operator is how many data I need to take from this observable result. Here you can see lot of results it would come from this observable, but by this take operator what I am going to take for example, if I put 2 inside this bracket, I will receive 1 comma 2 only. If I put it 4, the result would be 1 2 3 1. Okay, so this kind of scenario we are going to use take operator. This is the main purpose. In take operators we are having 4 operators with different purpose. Let's see one by one. Let's see an example for take operator. Here I'm using the same observable here, and I'm taking 3 only, then I'm subscribing. Let's see the output in browser. Here you see 1 2 3 only. If I change this to 6, it would be the answer 1 2 3 1 3 2, right? So 1 2 3 1 3 2, right? This is the purpose of take operators. How many elements we are having in this observable? 9 elements, right? If I put 15 here, okay, what would be the result? 1 2 3 1 3 2 2 1 1. So I am getting all results from this observable. If I provide more than the how many elements of this observable providing, okay, and note here the output is coming as from top to bottom. Why I mean from this order only. Okay, if I put 3, from sometime we need our custom observable is commented out as complete. This mean it doesn't complete. Okay, what it we output. So still 1 2. What I am completing, so still I am getting the same output. Okay, so this take operator do not consider about this complete, whether it is complete or completed or not completed, it would provide the result. Okay, I hope you are clear with the take operator. Let's move on to the take last operator. Okay, if I provide 3 in this last operator, what would be the output? Here 2 1 1, right? So here this is the output 2 1 1. Since I am putting 3 here, okay, if I'm putting 5 here, what would be the output? 3 2 2 1 1, right? So here output is 3 2 2 1 1. So it's working as expected. Getting output from where we are going to indexing the element. Okay, I'm from last. Okay, I'm here indexing from last 5, so it gets output from here. Let's check with the custom observable with the takeLast operator. Here I'm putting 2 only, last 2, so it provide the last 2 elements. Okay, which is 1 2, this one. Okay, if I doesn't complete it, what would be the result? Refresh. We don't get any result. So this take last operator requires completed. This output order is last. What it takes, how many items we want to take from the observable result. It's play with the other observable. No, still we are playing with one observable only. Okay, let's move on to next operator, takeWhile. What it means, it would retrieve the result until the given condition is okay. I'm made a condition like current item less than 3. If the current item less than 3 only, it should give the current result to the subscribe, otherwise it won't. If once it fails, for example, here this condition would be failed, right? So it would provide 1, 2 only, not 3. And if you notice here, this one is also would be valid condition, but since here it fails, it stop execution from here. It won't let it execute from here. Okay, so the output of this take while operator for this observable is 1, 2. Let's check in browser. Yes, 1, 2 only. If I provide 4 less than, so here I am we can expect all the result would be printed because all the elements are less than 4 only. Yeah, so here you can see 1 2 3 1 3 2 2 1 as mentioned in this observable. We can get the result. Okay, so this take while is how long it will work. It will only work until the condition is passing through. Once it's failed, the rest of the items would not work. Okay, some cases you need to know which item is failing. So for that case, for example, you need to know which item is failing here. So you have to pass through here. What it means is, we can see it here, this is predicate and this true value is inclusive. Okay, inclusive this one or not. If you pass through, it would execute the 3 also. Check in browser. Yeah, so failed item also coming as output. Okay, so the takeWhile operator takes emit value until condition is valid. This result from beginning, complete record. No, let's check this as well. So I am moving with this customer's observable and takeWhile operation here. Let's check the takeWhile operator with our custom observable. I am passing the same condition here and didn't complete, right? So what would be the input? Yeah, it's provide output even we are not completing the observable. So same would be if we are completing. Okay, so it doesn't require the complete statement. Still it's working with one observable only, this one, not any more observable. Let's move on to next operator, takeUntil. See, I'm change the example, not this one. I am used interval observable, and I'm used another observable as well. This operator is going to work with 2 observable. Okay, this observable require 2 observable to play with. I will share the information why I changed the example. Why I could not play with this example, and why I need the interval observable. I will tell you later. Let's move on to this example. I going to subscribe this interval observable. Before that, I am work with this takeUntil operator. What I done here is I just pass another observable inside this takeUntil operator. What it means is, this will provide a result, okay, until this observable emit the value. Okay, what this observable doing is, this observable observe the click event. Okay, once I press the mouse button in browser, it will emit the value. Once it's emit the value, it would this observable will stop. Okay, let's check in browser. So as per the interval observable, it emits a value one by one. Okay, each second it will emit the value. Okay, still I'm not clicking my mouse anywhere. I'm going to click. Okay, clicked. Okay, clicked. Now you see here the source observable, interval observable is stopped since I click the mouse button. Okay, because this second observable emits a value. What it means is, now you can understand, this observable emit value until the second observable emit. Okay, I hope you can understand the purpose of takeUntil operator. Why I could not use this example, because subscribing this observable, this is not any wait for anything. Okay, so it would print result immediately, not by not like this interval. This interval wait 1 second to print another result. So, but this off operator doesn't act like that. It provide result immediately. Check first the browser. Yeah, you can see this will provide all result, but this provide one by one. So it will execute infinitely. It will execute this definite value only. Once these values are executed, this is completed. But this interval is not like that. It is infinity, and it will execute in every second. So for that purpose only, I could not handle this one. But in our, as per our in requirement, we can handle like this dot num operator. We can append value, so that time we can use that. Okay, so I hope you can understand now all these operators, what is purpose. Okay, let's see on other video. If you have any questions regarding this operators, you can comment. I will answer for your questions. Okay, thank you. Bye guys.